To fill in the hardware holes and the divots that this dresser had, I mixed up some Bondo. I took about a golf ball sized amount of Bondo and added in about a pea-sized amount of hardener. And once the two are mixed together really well, you have about 10 minutes to, or maybe not even, you have about 5 minutes to work with this Bondo, but it is super strong. I always buy the all-purpose putty Bondo. They do have a wood filler Bondo as well, but the only difference I've noticed between those two is the price point. The all-purpose is less expensive, and I find it works just as well. I have a full tutorial on how to use Bondo for furniture repairs, which I'll include in the cards above, and I'll also include in the description down below. I'm just using a plastic putty knife to fill in the hardware holes with the Bondo. You can also use metal. And about the overspill of the Bondo. So obviously when you're filling in the holes, you get a lot more Bondo in and around the hole as well. I tried something different this time. Usually I just leave it, let it all dry, and then sand it all down. But Bondo is it dries extremely hard. So it does require some sanding. Like you'd have a hard time sanding by hand for sure. So what I did was when the Bondo was about half dry, I just used the putty knife and I skimmed it off. Skimmed it off easy peasy, and then I primed right over it. Honestly, I'm on the fence whether I like this technique or not. I'll try it a few more times and I'll keep you guys posted.